Famously, the parking garage is a JDM shop, and the J in JDM stands for Jaguar. So now we got this pile of shit eating up space in the front here. Let me replace the parts here. This is your shift selector right here, right? You see this little dial right here? Now that, when the car is running, pops up. The car is not running. So how do you shift it into neutral so we can push it back? If your answer was not remove part of the center console, then you were wrong. That's my keys. Actually, my keys will work too. Put it into the thing over here. You gotta turn it and unlock it. And now when you pull up this, oh, you gotta have the car on too, hold on. And then you gotta make sure that it goes into neutral. That's how you put it in neutral.
It's fucking...
Why? Like, why would they, why? All right, leave a little room because the battery's back there, so in case we have to jump it. Now, what's like a normal amount of codes to see on a car? I don't know, a couple. Maybe if it's kind of a shit box, you get like 10. This one has, across all modules, 2, 10, 2, 5, 10, 3, 3, 10, 4, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Making for approximately, roughly 150 diagnostic codes across this whole car. Don't need to worry about that, don't need to worry about that. Fuel rail system pressure too low. Now that's an interesting one. Cylinder misfires on 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8, meaning cylinder 5 is doing fucking excellent. That guy's a champ. He's the only one getting gas. They did say that the gas light was on, but they said they put 2.5 gallons into it and that did not fix it, so we'll see. Let's just try a little more gas.
They bought this Jag for how much and then they could only put 2.5 gallons in it?
Bro, I have absolutely no idea how much they paid for this. Frankly, if it was any more than free, they probably got boned. I just gotta document how many trouble codes it has because I don't think the customer's gonna believe me. Power steering control circuit, ignition authorization, fuel pump authorization. Fuel pump authorization?
You're not authorized to pump that fuel, sir.
Oh, sir. I couldn't make a car have this many faults, I think, if I tried.
Give me 30 minutes.
I think we should just go get gas, yeah?
Yeah, let's try spraying it just to see if it'll pop.
Okay.
Oh, right. And if it shoots a fireball, it'll be good for the video.
Ready?
Yep.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, I'm trying.
Are you in park?
Yeah?
Foot on brake.
Yeah. Spray. Give me a little spray. Oh, it's cranking, the battery's dying.
Open the throttle.
Still, fuel pressure's low.
Yeah,
regardless.
well, I mean, maybe it's got some weird shit, like if it's not getting pulsed, it's not even gonna pulse the pump. I was hoping for a big red fireball.
How does a parking brake control module have 10 codes? What are 10 things that the parking control module does? Parking brake. Well, you need to charge it, by the way. It's down 11 volts.
Okay.
You want to throw it on the battery
that
tender?
Trizunk. Whoa, it's got matching luggage back here.
Yeah, and those are not from this customer either. It's from the people I bought it from. They left a bunch of fucking Adidas back there. It's like right under this panel right here. Fucking, is there a body in here? There's definitely Fent in there is what's in there.
Well, I'm geeking. I know what it is.
What?
SoundCloud rapper.
Yeah, yeah.
They had the Jag, they had the pop filter. They were fucking making tapes in this thing, trying to get out the hood of Vancouver, Washington.
Orange.
Yo!
This punishes you for fucking getting a flat. It says, you better get that fixed there, bro. Yeah. Oi, governor.
You got the bloody citrus rim.
Oh, what you fucking sweat up. I see you rolling around on that orange there.
SoundCloud rapper owned Jaguar. Oh God, I see a lot of loose wires back here.
What?
Like, just
what the fuck is that?
Added spaghetti. I hate spaghetti.
This is British, it's not Italian. Why is there spaghetti?
No spaghetti.
Spaghetti! Fuel rail pressure is nothing. That's our biggest and first thing, right?
I just want to make sure that we're getting spark too. Hey, we can test for spark real easy. If you want to do that before we take off.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Mountain wrenches sponsor us. I use these all the time. Please.
You know, they felt indestructible at the last shop we worked at, and nowadays, I don't know, man.
True.
They just don't
Mountain
hit the
wrenches,
same.
what the fuck happened? And that laser gun has worked 30% of the time on good coils.
This is a different one.
Oh, you got a new one?
No, this is Jones's.
Oh, okay.
Whoa. Probably just left a brake lean in it?
So it's getting spark.
It's getting spark.
Didn't show up on this.
Hey, look, my little knobs, my knob's up. Oi, bro, my fucking...
This is a PG-13 video.
Yeah, my knob's getting erect here. Look at this. First time that my knob's been hard in a while. All right, let's put more gas in this fucking thing. I still feel like that's the issue.
It's picking up on the fucking. There it goes. It was
Picking up ghosts.
It was beeping in the air. Yeah.
It's picking up on those EMFs.
Oh no! Please don't be a succubus.
Praying for a succubus, only found a poltergeist. That's life.
When you put it into gear, the rear end squatted down like an inch.
Really?
Yeah, it like went.
I still don't know how many miles this thing has either. I can't figure out how to move through the infotainment here to.
Oh,
Jesus Christ, Jinx. Searching for Jesus Christ. The high beams come on when I put the turn signal on. Look at this. Look at the dash right there. Okay. No, now they're just stuck on. Yeah, every time I put the turn signals on, the high beams come on. How do I see like literally anything on this fucking shit ass
Jaguar
dash?
change screen. It's voice activated.
How do I? Where's climate control? How do I know what temperature the climate control is?
Where am I? What the fuck that opened?
The cup holder's popping up.
What the fuck?
Never mind.
Missing
They're
anything?
all-
I got a whole Jaguar back here in the seats.
Nothing says trash than 3 black.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Well, it runs. The rundown is that instead of nuking the Japanese, I wish that we had nuked the British. And then maybe we would have gotten better food and British hentai out of it. The Jaguar XF sucks.
And I wish I got British hentai.
I don't understand why you would buy a used, higher mileage European luxury car. Like, it's just asking for problems. Like, they are not reliable. I'm sorry to everybody that thinks their fucking Mercedes or BMW or whatever from the fucking mid 2000s to now is reliable. It's not. You ever driven a fucking Toyota Camry? They'll just run until the fucking like wheels fall off. This thing has 140,000 miles and 14 times more trouble codes than my Lexus with 300,000. Like, it's bias, I suppose. That like I work on Japanese cars, it's what I like. I prefer them. But like every time I get into working on anything that's European, it's just a fucking headache the entire way through for like no reason. And everything has problems. Every fucking part of these cars have fucking problems. I'm just lucky that this one wasn't a bigger problem because all of the other problems I don't want to deal with. So that's for the fucking owner to fix. In short, buy a Lexus. They're really undervalued right now.